So good morning guys, andito tayo sa dati nating spot. So gamit nating setup guys, 2000 series na Jokyo. Yan guys, Jokyo 2000 series. Kasi yung isa nating reel nasira yung ano niya, spring niya. So gamit natin guys, medium light pa rin na medium light na setup na rod twister natin. So yung lure natin, Ghost Anchovy.
Wow.
Saka yung leader line natin 15 pounds. Yung natin, breed natin 10 pounds na guys, Provirus. Yan, try lang natin guys kung may mahuli tayo. Yan, first cast. Yan, sana guys may mahuli. Matagal din tayong hindi nakapag nakapag fishing kasi palaging umuulan dito at bumabaha sa amin. So ngayon lang tayo nakabalik ng casting. Sana lang pagpala rin tayo guys, makahuli. Sana lang guys, sana lang. Sana may nakatagong kayamanan dito. Yan guys, sana lang, sana lang. Fish on guys, fish on. Fish on guys. Fish on guys, fish on. Fish on guys, fish on. Fish on guys. Bigat guys. Fish on guys, fish on. Fish on guys. Fish on. Fish on guys. Fish on guys, fish on guys. Fish on guys. Fish on guys. Fish on. Fish on guys.
Wow.
Fish on guys, fish on. Pagpaan guys. Yan guys. Good size. Good size, good size. Fish on guys, fish on. Kahuli din tayo guys. Maliit lang siya guys. Good size din guys. Yan.